My face actually doesn't look that bad. So hey guys, I wanted to let you know that I recently got myself back on my services, so that's why I took a little break because I had to do that. But going forward, right now I'm working on writing out my design for my back brace so that I could stand up straight. A lot of my videos and vlogs are going to be posted on my YouTube channel now because it's just easier to keep track of that. And Tina needs to let you know that she's in Heat. So, yeah, she's in the background. Tina, I love you. I do love you. It's important that you know. Yep. Okay, guys. Peace.